नीलम, hi.
Hi sir,
How you doing?
I'm phenomenal about you.
Absolutely amazing. बेटा बहुत दिनों बाद आए. You come
Yes,
after like guess 20-25 days.
yeah sir. Actually, I got my eye operated. That's why I was not able to come regularly here.
Okay. अच्छा, you got your eye surgery done.
Yeah,
Laser, LASIK and all that.
yeah, LASIK operation.
Okay. From where you got your eyes operated?
In ASG hospital.
From ASD hospital. Where it
Yeah,
is?
it's I don't know. My father knows.
Okay. Tell me like full scenario. Like what was the process? Our viewers would like to listen to you. देखना
Okay.
चाहेंगे आप इंग्लिश कैसी है, तो आप बताओ थोड़ा सा क्या प्रोसेस रहा 15-20 दिनों में, क्या किया, क्या ट्रीटमेंट रहा. Here we go.
Okay, first of all, that day on 16 August, we went to hospital, and actually I went to hospital with my father, and then after we reached over there, and I talked a receptionist. Then she said, Neelam, please wait for some time in waiting room. You will be called. And after sometimes she gave me some files and all, and I got my eye checked that time, and she said like, Neelam, go upstairs right now. And then after I went upstairs, then I started waiting my eye surgeon. Then he said, Neelam, actually your eye surgeon didn't come today. Then I started asking why, because I wanted to meet him, because she will because he will get my eye surgery done. So where he is, after a while, she said, means the doctor assistant said, ma'am, wait for some time, you will be called. And then after I went to eye retina, like specialist, and he got my eye checked, my eye retina. And after sometimes I went outside. Then assistant came, and he dropped in my eyes. Then he said,
Puts a drop.
he
Put a drop.
he put a drop in my eyes, and he said, Neelam, actually drop will be put in your eyes. Then open your eyes. Then I opened my eyes. Then he put drops in my eyes. Then he kept doing like this again and again. And after sometimes he said, again he said, wait for sometimes. Then after I got my eye checked, and after a while he said, your operation can be done successfully, because your eye retina is perfectly fine.
It's up to the mark.
It's up to the mark. And you have to come tomorrow. And then after then I said okay. Then we went tomorrow hospital, or the on reaching hospital again everybody checked my eyes. And he said, Neelam, you are being called in OT. After a while, doctor was taken to me, like operation theater. Then
Doctor took you. You were taken to the OT.
yes, then
You were taken to
I
the OT.
then I was taken to the OT.
Mhm.
After some time, doctor made me late. And after a while, he said, Neelam, make me recollect your name. Then I made him recollect
He was
my
not able
name.
to recollect your name.
Yeah, no. Then and after a while, I said my name is Neelam Lalwani. Then he said to me, Neelam, please keep speaking. Your operation is being done. So I started talking to him. Then he said, your operation has been done. After a while, as I stood up, then I said, oh my god, I had a narrow scab, I had a close shave, I had a close call. And after a while, I went outside. Then my father asked me, like, have you done everything is perfectly fine, are you able to see everything? Then I said, yeah, I'm able to see everything. Then my father said, oh my god, icing on the cake. Then my father took me to the, like, it's a particular room, it's a ward. And then he said, okay, wait for sometimes, keep resting over here. uh, and after a while, doctor came, and doctor again put drops in my eyes. Then I said, like please take care of me, because like then doctor said, Neelam, you are perfectly fine, no, not an issue, come inside, I want to check again. Then doctor checked me again, and I got my eye checked again. Then he said, then doctor gave me some then doctor made me understand some rules and regulation and precaution and all. And Neelam, you have to take these medicines, and Neelam, you have to take these drops and all, and time to time you have to put your drop in your eyes. And after a while we said thank you so much, I am highly obligate you, and
I'm highly obliged.
I am highly obliged you. After a while, we went home. Then my mother asked me, "How's your health?" Then I said, "I'm phenomenal, top notch, incredible, supercalifragisticexpialidocious." Then my father made her understand. Now. It's a daily. I want you to put drop in her eyes daily, as a daily 4 times daily continue. Then my mother said, yeah, I will put drop daily. And yeah, that's it. It's my operation scenario, whatever I speak front of you. So thank you, sir.
And what about like when you came home?
I couldn't understand.
How you came home?
By a cab.
By cab.
By cab.
ओके सो नीलम आप देख सकते हैं गाइज, नीलम बहुत अच्छा बोल पा रही है. नीलम स्कूलिंग कहाँ से हुई है बेटा आपकी?
स्कूलिंग लाइक मयूर पब्लिक स्कूल से, न्यू खेड़ा.
नया खेड़ा में. ये क्या है, हिंदी मीडियम है इंग्लिश मीडियम में?
सर हिंदी मीडियम, टोटली हिंदी मीडियम.
टोटली हिंदी मीडियम है. इससे पहले इंग्लिश में कोई नाता नहीं था आपका?
नो सर, अर्लियर आई कुड नॉट स्पीक प्रॉपर्ली, एंड आई यूज्ड टू स्पीक रैमशेगल, बट नाउ आई एम एबल टू स्पीक फिनोमिनल.
तो आपको हमारे बारे में किसने बताया?
Actually, earlier I was searching best spoken English classes in Jaipur. Then I got to know about the British School of English. Then I said to father, I have found a very remarkable institute. Then I called sir, and you said to me, Neelam, please meet me in my office. Then I came with my father, and I met you. And after some times, you made me meet some different type of students. And after a while, and I was drastically, exorbitantly flabbergasted to hear it's the whole students speaking English.
Okay, so अभी are you able to see properly?
Yeah, I'm able
Clearly?
to see clearly.
Your
sir.
vision is up to the mark now?
Yes, my vision is up to the mark.
So you have joined your company as well, office also, right?
Yeah,
Everything's fine?
everything is fine.
And what about the confidence level when it comes to English?
When it comes to speaking English, I can turn the table and steal the show.
आप देख सकते हैं गाइज, नीलम जो है कितनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल रही है. नीलम बहुत अच्छा इंग्लिश बोल रहे हो बेटा, फ्लुएंसी अच्छी है, रिमार्केबल है. थोड़ा सा हम लोग ग्रामेटिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में लाइक थोड़ा सा जैसे समटाइम्स कुछ चीज़ें हैं उसको भी हम लोग उसमें वर्कआउट करेंगे, बट बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हैं. और इतने कम समय में इतनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलना, दैट्स अ रिमार्केबल जॉब. स्टे ब्लेस्ड, कीप बीमिंग. वेरी नाइस.
Thank you.